Also take this one. Take this one.
How am I
Put
gonna?
this on your side. Oh no, you're new. You don't have that.
How did you get the hips one?
Hey man, use this. Use this.
Okay,
No, because then he
so
can't.
today I want to find rare stuff and then give it to players online and to my friends.
I had to eat it apple.
Because they really
apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Check this.
They want to trading this stick up to a.
So yeah, my friend is going to deserve this, and everyone is going to deserve good things. So yeah, let me try to find something. In this code, there's a suitcase. What's that?
Okay.
Who wants broccoli? Is this rare? Is this rare? Who wants broccoli? You. Is this rare?
Yeah, it's really rare, bro.
I'm kind of new. I don't.
Nothing in this code. I'm trying to find a modded code. If you wonder, my friend is ICVR612 as you know. Yeah. I just tried to find something, but...
Who has the new table gun? Who wants this? Who wants to trade for this time bomb?
Where is it?
My nuts are very low. 94.
I'm your mom.
Yeah.
I just
get it, bro. No, wait.
no one in this code. I need a modded code. There should be somewhere modded. No.
Come over here.
She just has a big shredder, but no one cares. Nothing good.
Huh?
Let me show you what I have here.
Wait, could you go
have
after
these three golden
I'll
revolvers.
give you this.
This rare shotgun, so I got it. I hook shot. This thing.
Please don't scare me.
Yeah, I had my entire thing with suitcases once, and once you saw the video with modded codes. If you didn't, then just watch it. It's a really good video.
I think.
I'm trying to find a modded code.
Okay, get a new gun. Right.
There could be a modded code, but everyone got everything, and then yeah.
Will someone do that? The god thing again?
I'll give you so much
Whoever has the new gun, join code
Oh yeah, there's a modder inside.
have the new gun, join code
Yo, there's a modder inside. Let's go.
Nah, PC and I got them shirts, man. Look at this.
There's literally some modder inside. Yo, that's crazy. Oh, he got it.
Wait,
Yo, someone res me, somebody res me.
Will someone get me a pickaxe gun?
Yo, if someone res me, I'll give them the gun. If somebody reses me, I'll give them the gun.
Here you go.
Man,
I revived you. Just don't forget, please. I revived you. No, I picked them up. Purple head, I revived you. I promise.
Kinda did. Nah, you didn't. You didn't res me.
I did. And what about me? I swear.
You didn't revive me.
On my life? I swear. Nah, Red's making up excuses because he wants to keep the gun now. Like normal ones, but dang it. I should have just let him back. I took the gun myself.
They don't sell for so much, but just get it.
Guy with the new gun, listen up, okay? I'll give you a good offer for one of those guns.
No! Where'd the gun just go? Get him!
This funny as hell.
I hope nobody kills me. Okay, I'm in. Okay, that's a good code. Like there's good stuff in it.
That was the only one I had.
Yo, do you want this one?
There are so many shredders in here.
Stole it.
Who wants this one? Who wants this brand new gun?
I want it.
I got it. Yo, who
No,
wants
he's not
it?
giving it away. I'm sure he's not going to give it
You're
away.
a fat gay person. I'm totally not one of those persons.
Right, first person to go get a photo of the troll and come back gets it.
What?
Like the ogre, whatever you fucking call it.
Hello, guys. What's up?
No! Don't get in
Hey. Hey guys.
It's like Uncle Billy having sex with his mum.
Did he say
Bro, who has the unreleased pistol? I was gonna do a shotgun because I need the unreleased pistol.
Okay, it was a good
I killed him. Bro, Red was dead with the gun. I killed him. He's not supposed to.
Let's see if there's something inside. And nope. Nothing in this code. There's just something in here. Please be something good, please. No.
There, dude. Check it if you don't even believe me.
Ooh.
Yeah, nothing good in these codes. Nope. Wait, they have like good guns and look, he has
Wait.
even.
Try to this one.
No, it's not a
Let's see who
good
gets
code.
it first.
I think someone just traded things or he just gave it away. That's what I'm going to do. Give them all. Yeah, let's go.
Whoa! I love
giveaway.
I just joined.
Try to find.
Bro, goddamn! Look at the bag I got! Bro, look at the bag I got from him! Yo, the mother, can you spit out the new unreleased guns? No,
Yo.
bro, motor, can you get the new shotguns? The new shotguns? Yeah, and the revolvers, Oh, wait, they got revolvers! Crazy, like blue. An apple!
Yo, what's this, bro?
Bye, have a great time.
Okay, that.
True. Like, true. Peanut banana!
Stop opening the crates.
Bro, I literally find the entire time.
No,
codes.
no. I don't even really like
No, there's nothing good inside.
I love you guys.
Or if you could stop opening crates, yeah.
Okay. I just searched for this is a crazy modded server there. Like,
That's it.
you know.
Wait, let me get. I don't like this one. I like this one.
Huh? Where's the modder? Yeah, where's the modder?
It looks like you're the water.
No, I'm not.
Look.
It's just a mini giveaway.
This isn't a mini giveaway. What do you mean a mini giveaway? What do you mean? Who's the modder? I need to know who the modder is.
Bro, these stuff are good, bro.
I'm gonna giveaway.
No, come on. Phone.
Nope. I think I got like 2 suitcases. Not sure, but I think. Nope.
Anybody wanna go mining?
He said, anyone go mining? No. Yeah, let's go.
I need to do it,
Let's
guys.
go.
I need to. Bye.
Oh, I can't even jump. Well, is that a gravity gun? I'm not sure. No, it's not. Oh, I don't need to jump. Let me get it. Oh, it's so hard to move.
Trade all the suitcases!
No, I can't move. I have to go like this. Guys, my friend is calling me, but I'm not going to ask for.
You need to make it blue. You need to make it blue.
If she sees this video, I'm sorry, but I have to finish this. Yeah, guys, I forgot to mention that's part 1. I'm gonna do part 2 soon, but where I'm going to give all the stuff away.
Everybody start selling.
You can get it. Okay, guys.
Someone's gonna steal this. No, I don't want it. Someone's gonna steal it. I was just saying.
No, I don't need it. I don't need it. You can get it.
I don't want it. I've already got 20 huge ones.
Okay.
I'm 20 tiny.
Yeah.
I don't need it.
Yeah.
I'll just tell you that someone might take it.
Yeah. Okay, guys. There was the video. Please like and subscribe.